A very warm hello to all your beautiful souls from me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader, an emotional health advisor, and an angel therapist. And today in this video, I would like to talk about an important tool of survival, and that is money. And you know what? At the end of this video, I am going to share with you how you can be a limitless, abundant being for money. So, we all need air for life. It's very important, right? Similarly, we all need money for surviving, for our living. So I call both air and money as important tools of survival. Do you agree with me on this? So yes, air and money are both very important tools for a living, for surviving. Right? One for life, one for living. There is yet another similarity between air and money. Do you know what? They both are available in abundance. They both are available in abundance. But do you ever feel a lack of money? Do you feel lack of air? No, we don't feel lack of air. We don't even see it, right? But we believe that it is all around us. And trust me, you believe that it is so much in abundance that you, your family, your loved ones, every living soul on this planet Earth can survive with air. It's that much in abundance. And what if I tell you, money is also available in abundance? You will raise your eyebrow and say, I don't have enough money, right? You feel a lack of money. In fact, many people feel a lack of money. Sometimes, often, or once in a while. And when you ask them why, what happened, they say, I don't have it. And when I tell them, no, it's very much available in abundance, they say, where? I can't see it. And what happens? We believe that there is lack of money. We don't have money. Why is it that these two elements, air and money, both easily available, abundantly available, but we feel the lack of money but not the lack of air? In fact, we can't even see air, right? We can still have money as a tangible portion, but we often say, I experience lack of money. This is because ever since our childhood, we have been told time and again that air is free and abundantly available for everybody. But money, it requires a lot of efforts. You have to work hard for earning money. You have been told that money does not grow on trees. We have been told that money is something that you really have to work very, very hard for. It's not so easy to just get money. Okay, and all of this has become a belief, right? So what we are not told, very importantly, is that money is energy, and this energy is also easily available as all the other energies are. Now, what one should really know is how to tap into this energy and how to utilize it correctly. So since our childhood, we have been taught many concepts around money. We've been given piggy banks to save. We have been asked to save for a rainy day, and I don't know what not, which in turn, they have all of this have become a belief system. And now no matter you use switch words, you use energy circles, you use affirmations, you go to astrologers, you get pujas done, you wear crystals, stones, anything and everything. No matter how many tools you use to get the money easily flowing into your life, it's not really going to come till the time your thoughts, your words, your feelings about money are not in alignment to the energy that money carries. You won't really manifest until that alignment happens. Well, manifesting isn't only about asking and praying. You also have to be ready and you have to be willing to receive when it comes to you in that moment. Manifestation is about stepping into the vibration of that desire that you hold for money. So here's the plan. In the coming 40 days, I am going to work on creating limitless abundance for myself. And I invite you as well to begin this work on your own self along with me. A work of creating limitless abundance of money energy, of finances for yourself by working on your belief patterns, by releasing the money blocks that you would have created knowingly or unknowingly, by clearing all clogged up energies within you, by understanding your money story. What is the money story you hold? And let's rewrite it together. Let's rewrite and create your money reality the way you want it, and thus initiate the journey towards prosperity. Trust me, there is always more than enough available for each one of us in this universe. So come, explore this limitless abundance with me. I would love to handhold you through this journey of 40 days with me. Feel free to connect with me and discuss your money story. Feel free to write into me on the social media handles given below or on the email address mentioned below, and I'll be very happy to connect with you and help you begin your journey as a limitless abundant being. Till then, God bless you. Stay healthy, stay happy, be abundant.